Okay, so after that, long story short, I ended up transferring to Case. Graduated from there in '02 with a degree in computer engineering, a bachelor's. So that means I could do software and hardware, like circuits plus programming. So I did that for 10 years, programming for some manufacturing companies. I first went to work at Goodyear tires. You've probably heard of Goodyear before. Their world headquarters is in Akron, along with just about every other tire company in the world. They're all located in Akron. You're sitting in the #1 manufacturing state in America right now. It's part of the reason why this program exists. After that, I went to the University of Akron, get my master's in engineering management and mechanical engineering. What's engineering management? Business. So I basically majored in engineering and minored in business for my master's. So that's what I've been doing ever since. Back in 2018, I opened up my company and started taking business on my own, primarily through the internet. Here I am. Started teaching a couple years later. So I wonder how much raw video I'm going to get out of this. Okay. What was my favorite job? My favorite job was working on aircraft carriers and submarines back in 2014 or so. I actually got to get on a submarine, a nuclear submarine, in Groton, Connecticut, which is where the submarines are built, like submarines for the Navy, our military. So that was cool. Gave me one of my first tastes of what it was like to be really, really proud about a job. Goodyear was cool. Worked at a biotech startup. That was interesting when I was a startup. Worked at another tire company, Hankook Tire. It's a Korean company. They have operations or headquarters in Akron, just like every other tire company in the world, like I was saying. That's an example of institutional knowledge there. There's 5 generations or 6 generations of tire engineers that exist in this place. I'm one of those legacies. So my Uncle Pat worked at Goodyear from 1964 to 1994, I believe. So he helped get my foot in the door there back in the day. And that's what I hope to help all of you with one day. Getting a good mentor. That's one of the most important things you can do for yourself in your career.